Phuc Kien Assembly Hall, also known as the Phuc Kien Assembly Hall, is a prominent historical and cultural landmark located in Hoi An, Vietnam. Built in the 17th century by Chinese immigrants from Phuc Kien province, this assembly hall serves as a communal space for the Phuc Kien community to gather, worship, and conduct various activities. Situated in the heart of Hoi An's ancient town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Phuc Kien Assembly Hall showcases exquisite traditional Chinese architecture. The complex is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring ornate wooden carvings, intricate sculptures, and vibrant ceramic decorations that reflect the rich cultural heritage of the Fujianese people. The lush gardens surrounding Phuc Kien Assembly Hall add to its charm, creating a tranquil oasis within the bustling town. Visitors can explore the well-maintained gardens adorned with traditional plants, statues, and architectural elements that further enhance the overall ambience of this historical site. The Assembly Hall is renowned for its meticulous attention to detail, with the structure adorned in a striking color palette. Elaborate shades of red, gold, and green dominate the exterior, symbolizing prosperity, luck, and harmony. These vibrant colors not only contribute to the hall's aesthetic appeal but also carry deep cultural significance. Stepping inside, one is greeted by a series of halls and chambers, each with its own unique purpose. The main hall is dedicated to Qian Hao, the sea goddess, and is adorned with intricate altars, statues, and elaborate furnishings. The Assembly Hall also features rooms for community gatherings, ancestral worship, and educational activities, providing a comprehensive insight into the cultural practices of the Fujianese community. In summary, Phuc Kien Assembly Hall in Hoi An, Vietnam, stands as a testament to the architectural prowess and cultural significance of the Fujianese immigrants. From its detailed craftsmanship and vibrant colors to the serene gardens, this historical landmark offers a captivating glimpse into the rich heritage of the region,